Right here I have the perfect luggage set combo that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today we're gonna be taking a look at this 360 degree 20-inch carry-on luggage with the backpack combo. Now I love this kit because not only does it come with a super lightweight 20-inch carry-on luggage, but you're also gonna get this really cool backpack. And as I unbuckle that strap, you can see that this is actually gonna be finished off with a really nice brown material. Super nice, and you can tell the quality of the material is durable. Now, this set is awesome because it matches, guys. So when you're going through the airport or traveling, you're gonna look good too. Now, this also comes in other colors at the time of this video, like black and dark green. You guys are gonna wanna stick around and see all of the features that are jam-packed in this backpack and why I love it. If you get a little bit tired of carrying your backpack on your back like sometimes I do, there's even a strap that's built in and you can strap that to the actual suitcase itself, so now it is nice and sturdy, and that makes it super practical and looks so good because they both match the same color. Okay, so first off, you can hear basically nothing because this is super quiet. These wheels are gonna be very, very quiet. We're gonna have a 360 degree rotation. This is also gonna have 3 locking points as well. So you are gonna be able to adjust this different ways depending on your height, which is gonna make it really easy. You can tilt that very easily, pull it, and it's just so quiet and smooth. I love it. Now this is gonna have a hard shell and it's gonna be super durable. I like on the front of this, you actually get a leather material. So it is gonna provide a little bit of contrast. And check this out, we get the TSA approved locks right here, right up like that. Everything's gonna be locked. Type in your custom code and boom, this thing opens right up. Now, not only do you have a nice grippy handle on the top, you also get one on the side too. So when you are stowing this away, maybe some top overhead storage on a plane or putting this in the back of a car, it makes it so much easier. Now, just sticking to the outside here, we do have 2 hooks here. So if you're traveling maybe through an airport like me and you buy some snacks and they give you a little bag, you can hook it right here on the side, and that makes it really practical. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inside here, see how much space we have, and then also the cool design. Now you're gonna have a beautiful metal zipper that does zip very smoothly. And as you can see, we have this really nice pattern on the inside that just makes it stand out. So we're gonna have a nice zip here, super big. It's gonna have the mesh, and it's also gonna show you how to do the TSA code. We have a hidden pocket on this side that we're gonna be able to zip. Plenty of room, plenty of space on this nice material fabric, and you can hide that away with your zipper very easily. Now, if you look on this side, we're gonna have a huge storage, some really nice color straps here. You can tighten that down if you like. Unstrap it and makes everything really practical. And you zip that up and you are good to go. Now this backpack is gonna be jam-packed with a ton of features that I love. Starting off, we're gonna have a really nice mesh foam material on the back here. So it's gonna help prevent sweating. And you're also gonna get a nice pad on the strap as well. And as you saw in the video already, you can buckle that up so it stays nice and tight, and you can adjust everything right there. So turning this over, guys, we have a ton of pockets to go over in this video. There are so many. You got a pocket up top here, super deep. We also get a pocket on the side. It's gonna be the whole width right here on the front, and we're gonna have the main pocket right there. So I like this part because you can use this for your toiletries. It's gonna have a waterproof material going all the way through, even on that back layer. So you'll be able to see through all of your toiletry items, but it'll keep everything clean from leaks, and I do love that. Now on the inside, this is gonna be huge. We're talking 38 liters of storage. So as you have this jam full, you're gonna be able to fit a ton of stuff. And there's even an extension on here, guys. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, because one of my favorite features about this is gonna be the shoe storage here. So often I like to bring shoes with me whenever I'm traveling, and this has a nice pocket you can see on the inside here. We're gonna be able to have a lot of space and you can fit a big shoe, and you have the vents here, so that's gonna keep it nice from basically just smelling, and I do appreciate that a ton. Now on the side here, you can see that we have these straps, so if you do jam pack this, maybe you can't fit it on the plane or under under your seat. And you just need to strap this down, but you don't want to empty out any. Pull that down and you're going to gain all of that space back. It's going to basically just compress that really, really nicely, and I do love that. On the side here, we are going to have a handle so you can carry this as well. We're going to have these hidden pockets. So we got a hidden pocket on the side here, and then we're also going to have a hidden pocket right on the back pad in the back. So that's really cool. And then like I was saying earlier, you can actually open this up all the way and you get another inch or so of extension. So that's going to give you a lot more room to fit all your belongings. And then as you can see on the top, we have another grab handle, making it easy to transport and carry. And then we have another compartment up here. This is jam-packed with compartments. You even get a water bottle holder, because when I'm going through an airport and traveling, I like to stay hydrated, and I always have a water bottle or drink attached to me at all times, and that is very helpful. Lastly, we are gonna have this huge compartment in the back, guys, and this is gonna be able to fit your laptop, your tablet, 2 individual sides, and this is gonna be a thick padded material, so I'd be able to fit my MacBook Pro in here, no problem. Velcro it down, keep it really nice and secure, and then we get 2 individual mesh spots. So maybe I could put some memory cards over here and just some personal items, maybe to clean the screen of the laptop. I highly recommend this kit. This backpack has everything you need to travel, plus the suitcase, making this super practical to jam pack a ton of stuff with you on your next travel. Check out the other colors they have to offer. Thanks for watching. Add this to your Amazon cart, and I'll see you guys in the next video.